Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It channel, and this is to talk about updates. There are some updates that are available for Windows 10. So this does not include any security updates. That's the first thing I want to say. So that means that if you have no problems, you don't have to install this at all. So the two versions of Windows 10 that are affected by today's Patch Tuesday updates is the May and November 2019 update, which is 1903 and 1909. Now, the other versions of Windows 10 don't have any updates at this time today. This does not include a security update to fix that security flaw that was discovered. So it's very important to know that. This really doesn't have anything to do with that security. So there's nothing in security. This is an optional update, so you'll see it appear on the optional section. But if you don't click the download and install, it doesn't install automatically. Like I said, no problems. Leave it alone and don't install it. For those that have problems, well, this is fixing a very big list of issues, from internal issues in Windows itself to some problems with some of the apps also, like your phone, for example. And this, of course, has a lot of little things that they fix here and there. So if you got glitches, if you got some weird things happening, maybe this could actually fix. But you'll have to check it out and install it manually by clicking the download and install in Windows Updates. Like I said, this is not installing automatically. It's an optional update. So check it out. Today we are, of course, Tuesday, March the 24th, 2020, and this is often the time when we actually get some of these updates for bug fixes. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.